Sick of your 9-to-5 job or tired of watching others live your dream life? It's 2025 and AI just leveled the playing field. Today, I'll show you 5 smart AI businesses you can start from home, without a degree, without experience, and without spending thousands of dollars. This isn't another get-rich-quick scheme. These are real, scalable, and profitable digital businesses powered by AI. Let's build your freedom, one click at a time. Start a YouTube channel using AI tools for script writing, ChatGPT, voiceovers, ElevenLabs, and video creation, Pictory, in video. You can scale fast and never show your face. 2. AI-powered social media agency. Use tools like Canva AI, Copy.ai, and Opus Clip to create content for small businesses. Offer short-form content packages, Reels, Shorts, TikToks, for $300 to $500 a month per client. 3. AI newsletter business. Use ChatGPT to curate content and Beehive to launch a niche newsletter. Monetize with affiliate links, sponsorships, and paid subscriptions. 4. AI resume and LinkedIn optimization service. Thousands are looking for jobs. You use ChatGPT to write resumes and optimize LinkedIn bios. Charge $50, $100 per client. Easy work, big impact. 5. AI voiceover and audio business. With tools like ElevenLabs, you can sell voiceovers for ads, YouTube, podcasts, or even audiobooks. It's faceless, fast, and scalable. Here's the truth. In 2025, AI won't replace people. It will replace people who refuse to use it. You don't need funding. You don't need connections. You just need to start. One of these businesses could change your entire year or your entire life. Pick one. Master it. Scale it. Don't let another year pass watching others win. Watch next. Top AI tools for passive income in 2025. Subscribe to NextGen Hustle, where your digital freedom begins.